John Madigan is a blacksmith by trade. He's a real deal. It's actually a pleasure to work with him in the Senate. Please welcome the founder of the Australian Manufacturing Farming Program, Senator John Madigan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks very much for coming. I have to say that the AMFP from its very outset was about bipartisanship, because we're talking about businesses, we're talking about apprenticeships, we're talking about families. Ultimately, we are talking about people. The Premier today, Jay Weatherill, being here, and Tom Kenyon and John Darling shows the bipartisanship, the concern for people. And that's what we're talking about, as I said. Ultimately, this is about people, this is about hope, this is about empathy, this is about Australia's future. We do not want to become a dumping ground for the rest of the world's landfill. And we don't want to destroy people, communities, lives. Manufacturing delivers socially, economically and environmentally. Australian manufacturers and farmers don't consume people to make or grow product. Our competitors do. And when we keep continually hearing about the free market, free trade, well, let me assure you there is no such thing. And we don't want to go to the bottom of the barrel. The conditions, our standard of living has been hard fought for and won. And all Australians, no matter who they are or where they are, deserve to have the dignity of work and a sense of self-worth. South Australia has a very proud history in their manufacturing, their farming, their food processing sectors. Iconic brands such as R.M. Williams, Trigg Brothers Foundry here in South Australia that makes the hitches for your trailers and a lot of brake and components parts. As the Premier alluded to earlier, the fact is that the car industry makes an enormous contribution to Australia. It provides the, how would I say to you, the basis of a lot of other manufacturing for component manufacturers. It's how they amortise their costs. And then with the smaller manufacturers who then go on to use them, they're able to invest in better equipment from laser cutters, CNC, etc. And in South Australia, you have battered well above your weight in many sectors. If we don't have a manufacturing industry in this country, and we are unable to make our own vehicles, if you think anybody here thinks that the rest of the world, or anybody in Canberra in La La Land thinks that the rest of the world's going to give us a free kick, think again. Because once they've got us over a barrel and they've destroyed our ability to manufacture, there will be no cheap manufactured goods on our shores. And the social and economic destruction that this will cause will be nothing. We won't be able to fix it. We will lose the critical mass, we will lose those critical skills that deliver so much. And we have to provide our young people with hope. Because when you've got a job and that sense of self-worth, there's less drug abuse, less alcohol abuse, less domestic violence, less vandalism, and they have a huge cost to our community. The people, the companies that have come here today are just a snapshot of what here in South Australia you have on offer. The innovation, like the motto of the AMFP is prosperity through innovation. I thank Nick for having the first inaugural day here in South Australia. I thank the Premier Tom Kenyon, John Darling, and also my deepest thanks to Kevin Webb and Spring Gully for hosting the day here today. These people are the future of South Australia's and they're also play an integral part in the future of our nation. And let's make the effort to put the common good back into the Commonwealth.